Are you on a GLP-1 medication and haven't seen the scale move in a few weeks? Don't panic. Plateaus are a normal part of the weight loss journey. Today, I'll break down why weight loss stalls happen, what the science says, how to troubleshoot lifestyle factors, and when to consider adjusting your GLP-1 medication dose. Hi, I'm Dr. Bazgha Khalid, and I'm a board certified internal medicine and obesity medicine doctor. And I prescribe GLP-1 medications in my clinical practice all the time to treat type 2 diabetes and obesity. And I have helped hundreds of my patients to get to a stronger and healthier version of themselves using GLP-1 medications. Let's start by a quick refresher how GLP-1 medications work. Glucagon-like peptide 1, commonly known as GLP-1 receptor agonist medications like semaglutide with brand names Wegovy and Ozempic, and dual GLP-1 GIP receptor agonist medications like tirzepatide with brand names of Zepbound and Mounjaro, mimic natural gut hormones, and they slow stomach emptying, reduce appetite, and help regulate blood sugar, making healthy eating easier and help with weight loss. Clinical studies supporting these are STEP 1 trial published in New England Journal of Medicine in 2021, showing adults with obesity lost 14.9% of their body weight on weekly semaglutide compared to 2.4% with placebo. While tirzepatide and SURMOUNT 1 trials published in New England Journal of Medicine in 2022 showed up to 22.5% of weight loss, the largest weight loss yet seen on a medicine in a large clinical trial. Let's talk about why weight loss stalls are normal, why they happen. Here are some of the reasons. Your body adapts to a new lower weight. As you lose weight, your body burns fewer calories because it now takes less energy to maintain a smaller body. Think of this like you've lost 20 pounds. Your body is literally doing less work, so your calorie needs drop and weight loss stalls. Number 2, metabolic adaptation. This means your metabolism slows slightly. Your body senses the calorie deficit and becomes more efficient, burning fewer calories even at rest. Think of a car switching to eco mode to save gas. Your body conserves energy to protect itself. Number 3, portion creep or hidden calories. Over time, portion sizes may sneak back up, or you may underestimate small snacks. For example, a tablespoon of peanut butter here and there looks small. However, over time, those extra bites add up. Number 4, loss of muscle mass. Rapid weight loss without enough protein or resistance training can cause muscle loss, and muscles help burn calories. Muscle is like a furnace, and less muscle means a smaller furnace, and loss of muscle mass causes weight loss plateaus. Number 5 is water weight changes. Hormones, sodium intake, or menstrual cycle can cause water retention that mask fat loss and also cause rapid weight fluctuation. Like a salty restaurant meal can make the scale jump overnight even if you don't gain fat. Number 6, hormonal fluctuations and stress. High stress leads to higher cortisol or other hormonal shifts can affect hunger, metabolism, and fluid retention. During stressful weeks, your weight might hold steady even if you are staying true to your plan. Number 7 is inconsistent tracking or less activity. Over time, you might track less accurately or skip workouts, lowering your overall calorie burn. As an example, walking 8,000 steps felt easy when you started, but now you've been sitting more at work due to work schedule change, and that can slow your progress. Number 8, body composition changes without scale movement. You might be losing fat but gaining or preserving muscle, which weighs more. So, despite a positive change in body composition, you may not see the scale move. Think of this when you notice your clothes fit looser, even though the scale hasn't budged. Research proves this as well. The Look Ahead study published in Diabetes Care in 2014 showed weight plateaus occur in most long-term weight loss intervention, even with medication support. So, what are the common causes of weight stall on GLP-1 medication? Number 1 is calorie creep. Calories may sneak back in, bigger portion sizes, or liquid calories sneaking back in your diet may stall your progress. Number two, inconsistent dosing, like skipped or missed time injections, reduce appetite control and hunger, and cravings come back, making it hard to lose more weight. Number three, low protein intake leads to muscle loss, and that causes slower metabolism and weight loss stalls. Number four, sedentary habits like less movement reduces daily energy burn and therefore weight loss stalls. Number five, sleep and stress play a role as well. Poor sleep and high cortisol can increase hunger that causes weight loss stall. Number six, medical factors like low thyroid or hypothyroidism, or certain medications like some blood pressure medications or even diabetic medications can blunt weight loss benefit of GLP-1 medications. So here is the important part, how to troubleshoot a weight loss plateau. Let's start with number one, reassessing the basics. Log your meals for a week. Calorie creep is sneaky. Aim for 30 to 35 grams of protein per meal to preserve your muscle. Hydrate well, as mild dehydration can mask fat loss. Stay consistent with injections, same day of the week, same time of the day if possible. Number two, review your dose. GLP-1 medications are titrated slowly for better tolerance. For example, semaglutide 0.25 milligram is titrated slowly to 0.5 milligram, then 1 milligram, 1.7 milligram, and the maximum dose of 2.4 milligram. Each dose separated by at least 4 weeks. So if you're noticing your weight loss plateaus or stall, then it might be time to up titrate the dose with your doctor's medical advice, unless you're already on the maximum dose. Do not self-increase the medication dose, and best to discuss any dose change with your doctor. I have a very detailed video on GLP-1 medication dose titration, and you should be able to find that in my channel GLP-1 playlist to understand this concept better. Number three, strengthen lifestyle support. Add 2 to 3 strength workouts per week. This preserves lean muscle and metabolism. Walk after meals can help improve glucose control and calorie burn. Revisit sleep hygiene. Make sure to get at least 8 hours of quality sleep at night. That can reduce hunger hormones and reset your metabolism. Manage stress. Think of deep breathing, journaling, or short meditation to help de-stress yourself. Number four, medical check-in. Ask your doctor to rule out secondary causes of weight loss stall and consider labs for thyroid or even cortisol. Also, evaluate any weight affecting medications by reviewing your medication list carefully with your doctor. So let's talk about when to ask for help. It's best to consult with your doctor if your weight loss plateau persists for 8 weeks or more despite consistency, if you are experiencing severe side effects or persistent hunger, or if you are unsure if dose adjustment is needed. So, what are the do's and don'ts with weight loss plateaus? Let's talk about the do's first. Track your food and protein intake. Add resistance training and non exercise activity. Work with your doctor on dose titration. Stay patient and celebrate non scale wins. If you have been following me, you know that non scale victories are my favorite, and I have several videos regarding those. So, do check out my channel GLP-1 playlist for those. Let's talk about the don'ts. Don't double or skip doses. Don't compare your timeline to others. Remember, every weight loss journey is unique. Don't drastically cut calories. This can actually backfire. Don't give up. Plateaus are expected and temporary. Key takeaways are stalls are a checkpoint, not a stop sign. Review lifestyle habits first, then consider dose titration. Clinical studies like STEP, SURMOUNT, and SURPASS trials confirm that GLP-1 medications are effective long-term, but consistent healthy habits drive the sustained success. Weight loss on GLP-1 medications isn't a straight line, it's a staircase. Plateaus are a part of the climb. With patience, small troubleshooting, and guidance from your weight loss doctor, you can break through the weight loss plateaus and keep moving toward your goals. If you found value in this video, then please like, comment, and share with a loved one, and subscribe so that you don't miss the future content. Stay happy, healthy, and well. Bye for now.